Today, we're gonna make chamomile bath salts. There are so many benefits to a chamomile bath salt. Chamomile is renowned for its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Epsom salts are known to relieve sore muscles, and chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties. They work synergetically, work as a synergy to relieve sore muscles and pain. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties also help soothe the skin. It helps alleviate symptoms of eczema and psoriasis. It also hydrates and softens the skin. And chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for insomnia. So using a chamomile bath salt in a bath is a great way to relax before bedtime. Alright, so we're going to start this recipe with 1 cup of Himalayan sea salt. If you don't have Himalayan salt, regular sea salt will be just fine. Just make sure you're using a coarse salt. Although I've made bath salts with regular table salt and they've come out just fine. Next, I'm going to take 1 cup of Epsom salt and add that to the bowl. Then I'm going to take half a cup of baking soda. And I'm going to stir all the dry ingredients together. Now in a separate container, I'm going to use the little measuring cup, as not to waste. You're going to measure out 20 drops of essential oil. And I'm going to be using chamomile essential oil, of course, because we're making a chamomile bath salt. Alright, now we're going to add 1 ounce of jojoba oil, but any carrier oil you have will be fine. So you could use avocado oil, olive oil, anything you have, melted coconut oil. And a lot of recipes online will tell you to add essential oils to your bath salts, but they will not tell you to dilute it. And then you put it in a bath and the essential oils kind of burn your skin because they were not properly diluted. So you have to dilute them in an oil first, and I'm using jojoba. So I need about 1 ounce of oil, and 1 ounce is equivalent to about 2 tablespoons. So I'm gonna measure that. Alright, now we're going to take our infused oil and we're going to add it to our bath salts. And we're going to try to mix that in and distribute those oils as evenly as possible. And the oil is going to want to stick to in certain clumps of the salt. So you're just going to want to try to get that distributed evenly. And finally, we're going to take half a cup of chamomile flowers and add that. And that is going to get those water-soluble compounds from the chamomile, whereas the essential oil holds the fat-soluble and lipid compounds. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to bottle this up in this big jar because I'm going to put them in smaller jars to distribute and sell later. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what your favorite essential oil is.